Hello, good morning. It's a new month and I'm excited. I'm actually excited concerning this month and interesting month. Okay, so today's Wednesday. It's the 1st of July. We are no longer in June. Now we're in July. Okay? And our topic is three-dimensional shapes. Okay? And what we want to do today is to identify these three-dimensional shapes. Let me say, okay, we know two-dimensional shapes, right? The square, it's a two-dimensional shape. Rectangle is a two-dimensional shape. These shapes are called two-dimensional shapes. Even the circle is called a two-dimensional shape. Okay? What makes it three-dimensional? Let's take an example, the cube. I know you know the cube. Oh, what an ugly E. Aha! So, I must have a beautiful cube. Okay? I insist, I must have a beautiful cube. Yes, yes, yes. Uh-oh. I'm not enjoying this cube. Let me draw it again. My cube must be beautiful. My cube must be beautiful. Okay? Let me see if this one will be more beautiful. Oh, I'm afraid it's not looking more beautiful. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. My cube must be beautiful. Yes. 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 Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, I'll manage this cube. It can be more beautiful though. Let me see. Uh-oh. Okay, I'll take it like that. Okay, so can you see it now? It has... Oh, I saw something here. Okay. It has... Let me draw the square beside it for you to see. It has 6 faces. This is a face. Can you see? The smooth part that you touch, that's a face. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that one under that we cannot see, touch. That's 6, right? So it has 6 faces or 6 sides. Okay, that's 6 faces and uh-oh. Okay, okay, and it has, this is one edge, another edge, another edge, another edge. While a square has 4 edges, a cube has, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cube has 12 edges. And let's look at the corners. Let's look at the corners. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. A cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So it has 8 corners. So can you see? 6 faces or sides, 12 edges, and 8 corners. That's for the cube. The next one is a cuboid. Can you see number 2? Cuboid. What's a cuboid? What's a cuboid? It is the rectangle form of a cube. So, can you see? Oh, I love my cuboid. It's beautiful. Okay, so what does a cuboid remind you of? Maybe a container at home, right? But the number one thing it reminds me of is a loaf of bread. Yummy. I feel like eating bread and beans. Oh, okay, don't let me talk about bread and beans now. Okay, so cuboid. Can you see how I spell my cuboid? Cuboid. Good. It has 6 faces too. This face, this face, this face, this face at the back that we can't see. You know, this is the top, this is the back, this is the front, and this is down here. That place that is lying down too. It has 6 faces. Okay? Or 6 sides. Then it has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges, just like a cube. Okay? And it has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the difference between a cube and a cuboid is a cuboid has some sides in the rectangular shape, okay, while the cube is square shape all over. So every single side of the cube is equal, but some sides of the cuboid are longer than the others. Okay, good. So we have the cube, we have the cuboid. Another shape we are looking at is the cylinder. You know the cylinder shape, right? So let's draw a cylinder shape. The top, the sides, and the bottom. Okay, so this is one face, this is one face, and there is another face around it. That small round part of it is another face. It doesn't have any corner. This even doesn't show as a corner on the cylinder. Okay, it does not show as a corner, but this circle at the top shows as one edge. This place shows as another edge. Round the cylinder, you can't call it an edge, because if you put your hand around, there is no sharp pointy edge. So it's only the corner at the top and at the base. So we'll say it has two edges. Okay, it has two edges. It has two edges. How many faces? One, one, two, three. Three faces or three sides, and then it has how many corners? No corner. Okay, so it has it has three faces. It has three faces or sides, two edges, and no corner. Can you see it was zero we wrote there? Okay, this last one, how I wish we were in class. I'll be able to show you better than to draw it, because even if I draw it, it's not going to show any different from a circle, because it will just look like a circle. Okay, a sphere is a circle that has more than one dimension. You know the way a cube is not flat? That's the way a sphere is not flat. It's not a flat circle. An example of a sphere is a ball. Can you see? It is all round. So now that I've taught you a sphere, you don't call a ball a circle anymore. In foundation 2, they can call a ball a circle. In foundation 1, they can call a ball a circle. But now you call a ball a sphere. What? You call a ball a sphere. Okay? So a sphere is another three-dimensional shape. It has one face, no edge, no corner. Okay? It has one face, no edge, no corner. Okay? It has one face or one side, okay? No edge and no corner. Okay? That's very simple. So what I want you to do now is, let me give you an example of each. A cube is, let me use the easy things that can come to you that I know you will have in the house. A seasoning cube. When I say a seasoning cube, mommy can give you one. Okay? And I'm hoping for number 2, you will have it, a loaf of bread. Okay? A milk tin. Okay? And finally, a ball. Okay? So our task today, take each of the shapes above and count There. One. Faces. Remember, faces is the same as sides. Okay. Number 2, edges. And number 3, corners. Okay. I want you to touch each object. Okay. Don't just write the answers for me. I want you to feel it. I want you to see it. Okay. Anything, it might not be a tiny cube, as long as it has the kind of size as I described it. If that's what you have in the house, don't ask mom to go and buy anything, because you will certainly have it in the house. So I want you to look for it. In fact, I want you to look around the house and be able to identify the things that have these shapes. Okay? You're not going to buy anything. Okay? So just identify the ones in the house that have the shape. Okay? So I'm waiting for that. Thank you.